This
Yeah, list
conference
we
will
were
now
looking
be
at
recorded.
lists. So list में yeah. So just a second. List the tuples we are expected to give. Set the dictionary. Yeah, these things to be completed today. These things. Let's give a quick 1 minute. I was looking for coffee. 1 minute we'll give. Just in the meanwhile, I will start my own. Generally, coffee is joining late, so let's not wait for him. So, but still, so lists are something data structures, lists, tuples, sets, dictionaries. These things will come as part of right? These things will come as part of sequences in Python. We call them as sequences in Python. So sequences means um, anything that you can iterate upon. So there are some list of fruits you want to list one by one. That is possible. There are some. There is a tuple with some elements. So you can iterate over them. So those are called sequences. Anything that you can iterate upon are called sequences. So we need to iterate them. We need to put some conditions. We need to use some loops or something like that, so that we actually work with them in real time. That is the general use of lists. Okay, so here just let me wait for this guy. Let us see. I think it's more than 6 minutes, so let's start with this. Lists. Now, the important concept with list, check brains. JETBRAINS. Jet, I think he has joined. Jet, yes. Hi, Kofi.
Hello.
Hi, Kofi.
Yeah.
Yeah, we just started with lists. So lists are data dictionary. You can take lists as a sequence. A sequence is a general term which will indicate that you can iterate upon. Iterating means looping through. Looping through. So what we generally do with lists is we collect values and then try to iterate. I will give you. So here, checkpoints opened or not opened? Yeah. A list is a container which holds comma separated values. Values means it can be items or elements, and these are enclosed between square brackets, where the list of items need not be of same data type. Okay. In general, we define list as an object that contains multiple data items. A list, if I have to describe list is a container which holds comma separated values. Values means items. Items means list. So now we can create empty list, and the size of a list can also change during execution. Okay, and elements can be appended to it, removed from it, all that operations. Those are called list operations. I will discuss, that is the agenda for today. Yesterday, I introduced you to list, but today we will deal with the operations. How do you create an empty list? List of integers, list with mixed data types, and a nested list, and we are going to use the plus operator, okay, to combine to create a new list, that is a concatenation of two lists. Then you can use list indices. It means index. Index is singular and indices is a plural. So you can use list index from left to right, which is positive, and right to left, which is negative. Okay, so that way you can use list index to access the elements of the list, and we are going to add an item at the end of the list using the append method. We are going to insert an item at a given position using list.index method at some position. We need to mention the position. Okay, then we can modify an element of a list using again index. So adding, modifying, inserting at a given position, and removing the element. These things are all possible with list. And apart from this, list slicing is what we have to discuss. So list slicing. So mainly these are the things that we need to discuss with respect to list. So today, mm, recent May Bangalore Satish project. So generally, our parents, no, when in childhood, if they have to send you for market to bring some items, they will give you one slip. In that slip, that's called a list. List will have some 1, 2, 3, 4 with items. So you don't forget to bring this, is what they used to say. So if they tell it verbally, there is a chance that we might forget. But ideally, what they will do, they will prepare a list, that is called list of items, and ask you to bring it. So same concept here also, list. So you can add elements to it, you can remove elements to it, and you can modify an element to it. So all these things are possible. But for here, we have some methods. Specifically, we have some methods. Use the methods accordingly and do some operations. So this year we will play with data. Okay, so it is opening, almost done. So creating an empty list. Still happening. Yeah. New file. It's Bangalore Satish project. So let's start. Let's copy what we are going to standard here. Between square bracket syntax. Let's say I'll say my list equal to like this. Okay, like this. And you can say 101, 102, 103, and so on. That is element. You can say item 1, item 2, 3, and so on. That's all. Now we'll quickly go. List can be anything like this. I can say okay. Oh, sorry, empty list, right? Wait, sorry. Yeah. So, right, my list. Good. So, now create. of integer. So my list anything, and that like which you can do it.